Oh, geen muziek op de achtergrond. Zo. No music because then I have to pay for it. It's happened before with the Black Eyed Peas. Okay then. Okay. So. I did it once, so I can do it twice, I think. I think it should work now. Black! Black! Where is black? That's not the right one. I need black. Fuck. It's a little bit too cold here. I can see it because the paint is moving away from the letters. So I think it was not the right thing to do now. Give it some time. So that's all. Yes. Now I know it's too cold here. Maybe too much moist in the air, because the edges of the letters are, I don't know how to explain, the paint is moving away from the edges. It's not a problem for me now, it's just good, but there you can see it's getting white. So now I know I have a problem. Oh, it's not enough heat in the air, so I made a mistake. I'm trying to solve the problem by heating up. I'll show you later on. Now I'm putting some heat inside this material, and I hope to prevent worse, to get a nice picture. So I'm heating it up now. I can see the paint is moved away. You can see it's almost getting white there. So now I painted it with some heat air around it. And now, oh sorry, now I can see the paint is laying evenly over the surface. That's okay for me. And now it's black too. When you are spraying with black paint from the brand name Motip, and it is too cold and too moist, it will dry satin white or satin grey, because the moist is getting into the paint and will give a nasty grey shine over the black paint. Now it's glossy black. That's what I want to see. I give it a little bit more space because when it is too hot, the gas bubbles will evaporate too fast and that will damage the surface too, so you get matte black. So I give this some time, I let it dry, and when it is finished I will hope to get something like this. I'm very happy and pleased about it. It looks so nice. But this one is in blue cover, the other one is metallic grey. And there it is, the engine. Look, before I install the gas has koppakking, head gaskets. I have to install this bearing unit for the camshaft because the pressure of the valve springs is too high, and then this axle is out of the middle and you can't install the bearing, front bearing of this. I have seen this one, I think. Yes, I have to clean that and I will place that first on. So maybe there is another one also clean. I do install a new seal and I'm installing not a screw, I call that an imbus. I do not know how it is called in English language, but a different way of bolt, and we call this imbus. I have to clean that, and then later on I will do those heads too. Those heads are laying around there doing nothing. Okay, thanks for watching. How's it going there? It's good? Yes, it shines very well. Yeah, I'm happy. So, ventilation off and give it some heat. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.